Today I'm going to show you a way to jazz up your rice using green salsa. The star ingredient is salsa verde, which you can use from a jar, or you can make your own using my previously shared recipe with these ingredients. To make savory green rice, you're going to need long grain rice, salsa verde, kosher salt, olive oil, and then water or chicken stock. As you can see, I'm kind of hard on my cookware and I need to bleach these pans. In any case, fry the rice in the olive oil over high heat for about 5 minutes. Then add the salsa verde, about 2 cups. Stir and cook for about 5 minutes, then add boiling chicken stock. You could use vegetable stock or water as well. And stir and cook for 3 minutes. Reduce the heat to medium, then cook covered another 5 minutes before turning off the heat and letting the pot sit covered. Ideally, you'll let it sit for an hour, but a half hour will do. And then it's time to enjoy. Serve with seafood, chicken, pork is especially good, a pork chop, or you can do a breaded pork chop. I hope you enjoy this easy rice dish as much as I do.